After months of agonizing anticipation, Nintendo finally blew the doors off the new Switch 2 console. While the public watched the hour-long Nintendo Direct livestream, I got to spend several hours afterward actually playing a bunch of what Nintendo showed off. I got to try out all of the biggest new Switch 2 games and most of its wild new hardware features, and you probably won't be surprised to hear that it seems pretty awesome. Let's break it down. For starters, the Switch 2's screen is 7.9 inches compared to the OG's 6.2-inch display, but it's exactly as thin as the original Switch. It feels great in the hands, heavy enough to feel like a piece of premium tech, but light enough that it hopefully shouldn't cause wrist pain after long sessions. I'm pleased to report the new Joy-Con controllers are also bigger, making them much better suited to adult-sized hands. There's also a great new Pro controller for those who'd rather avoid Joy-Cons entirely. I spent all 8 years of the Switch's life playing it docked with a Pro controller, so I'm happy with the options on offer here. Now let's talk about the games. The big highlight was Mario Kart World, which is easily the wackiest game in the iconic kart racing series to date. Races have been expanded from 12 competitors to 24, and it's absolutely bursting at the seams with new ideas and items. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it's also set in a massive, seamless open world. The new Knockout Tour mode takes advantage of this, with long races that span several visually distinct tracks in one go with zero loading between any of them. Every few seconds, something hilarious happens on screen, which means it fits right in with the best Mario Kart games. As someone with like 300 hours in Mario Kart 8, I'm stoked to roam around this giant world and get hit by blue shells every 5 minutes. I also got some limited time with Metroid Prime 4 and Donkey Kong Bonanza, both of which seem rad. The former is a pretty good showcase for the new Joy-Con mouse controls, which basically work like a computer mouse would. The mouse function is perfectly responsive, but I'm not totally sold on using it for a full game yet. Metroid does have astoundingly sharp visuals, though. Donkey Kong, meanwhile, has some of the most satisfying wanton destruction in a video game in a good long while. It's a game about punching everything you see until you find shiny collectibles. What more could you possibly need? I'll admit, I was a little disappointed not to see a new 3D Mario game right away, but Donkey Kong is a pretty good substitute. As for the price, the Switch 2 starts at $450, which is $150 more than the Nintendo Switch's original launch price of $299.99, which isn't ideal. However, once you get your hands on it, you might be able to justify that purchase for yourself anyway. Do you think the Switch 2 lives up to the hype? Let us know in the comments and head over to Mashable.com to read more of our Nintendo coverage and look for our full review when the console launches in June.